Welcome to Selavi Fishing Tours. Our tours are designed for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike, accommodating 1 to 6 people. Safety is our top priority, with life jackets, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits included on every trip. Prices range from 6,500 to 18,500 rupees, offering various options to suit your preferences and budget.
We provide convenient pickup and drop-off from Wave Bolgoda.
Relax and unwind with a refreshing cup of tea as you enjoy the tranquil surroundings. Experience top-quality fishing gear with our selection of lures, designed to attract a variety of fish species in Bolgoda Lake. Take in the stunning views as we cruise along the river. The peaceful stroll through nature is a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. Feel the thrill of the catch with Selavi. Our expert guides ensure a successful and enjoyable fishing experience for all skill levels. Bolgoda Lake is the ideal destination for backwater fishing in Sri Lanka. Just an hour's drive from Colombo, its large tidal-fed estuary system and beautiful mangrove environs provide a unique and serene fishing experience. With barramundi, mangrove jack, and featherbacks in abundance, the diverse fish species make every trip exciting. Bolgoda Lake's fishing season lasts all year, making it the perfect day trip for anglers in Colombo. Introducing our unique Lake 2-plate concept by Fishing Salon. After a day of fishing, cook your catch right at our partnered villa and savor the freshest meal imaginable. We offer 4 types of tours: Solo Cast, River Trail, Pro Tour, and Troll Venture. Payments can be made via bank transfer or on-site, and additional fishing hours for 1,500 rupees per hour. Join us for an unforgettable journey and discover the thrill of fishing on the serene waters of Bolgoda Lake.
Fishing Salon, keeping it real since 2023.